Some breaking news coming in as far as the Delhi riots accuser Tahir Hussein's interim bail plea is concerned. Now, a day after Supreme Court delivered a split verdict, Times Network accesses detailed case order. Supreme Court Judge Pankaj Mittal's strong observations. Citizens of India deserve a clean India. Clean India requires clean politics. And in focus, people with tainted image in custody must be restricted from participating in polls. Tahir may threaten influence witnesses. AIMIM's Tahir sought bail to campaign in the national capital. My colleague Harish is joining me live right now to get us more details. Well, Harish, after the split verdict, the decision from the Supreme Court is concerned, where they are saying that India deserves a clean India and those who can possibly pose any sort of threat must be restricted, especially when it comes to campaigning in the upcoming assembly elections.
Yes, that's right, Samia. In fact, dismissing Tahir Hussein's interim bail plea for campaigning, Justice Pankaj Mittal has made several observations which is in interest of Swachh politics, to free politics from criminals and to end criminalization of politics. He said it's high time citizens of India deserved a clean India, so which requires clean politics. Towards that, there should be a decision to not to allow people with tainted image, those who are in custody, those who are out on bail. Even if out on bail, there should be some system wherein they are not allowed to participate in election process, even become a candidate, and people should have a choice to elect people with clean image and clean antecedents. So very big observation coming in from Justice Pankaj Mittal, who also said that if Tahir Hussain is allowed to campaign, given bail for campaigning, he will do door-to-door campaign and also get an opportunity to threaten witnesses and influence witnesses. This is another ground on which he cannot be given bail. And also he has said that if Tahir Hussain has a good reputation and people recognize his service, he will automatically be elected. People have one election sitting in jail, and therefore giving 10 to 12 days campaigning time will not have any effect. If he has done good job, he will anyways win. Otherwise, if he has not done a good job or he does not have a good image among the people, electorate, voters, he will not win even if Supreme Court gives 10 to 12 days time for campaigning. But the very big observation is regarding in fact, to end criminalization of politics, such elements should not be granted bail. Supreme Court very clearly saying that it is high time that we have a clean India that requires clean politics. Therefore, people with a tainted image, those who are facing criminal charges, who are in custody, even if they are out on bail, they should not be allowed to participate in the election process. Remember, Samia, Pankaj Mittal and Justice Asaduddin Amanullah delivered separate judgments. Justice Pankaj Mittal had granted, dismissed his bail application, while Justice Asaduddin Amanullah had, in fact, allowed his interim bail plea and said that since trial has been going on for 5 years, it has not ended, and he has spent 5 years in jail, and only 5 witnesses have been examined. He deserves to be out on bail. If once he has become a candidate, he should be allowed to campaign and contest elections. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harish. Thank you for getting us all those details and putting this into perspective. We shall leave it at that for the moment.